Okay, time for another delicious workbook page. And these are pages 26 and 27. It's from the Let's Read section of Unit 3. So let's read this story first, and then we'll answer some questions and do some other stuff on the other page. Okay, this story is called It's Strawberry Season. And let's start with this paragraph here. I'm Stacy, and I love eating strawberries. Did you know every strawberry has more than 200 seeds? Wow, that's a lot of seeds. Last weekend, I went to the farmer's market. It's strawberry season now. Strawberries are always the first fruit at the farmer's market in spring. I bought a lot of strawberries. I went home with my strawberries. My sister, Star, was in the kitchen. She bought strawberries too. She was making strawberry cake. I'm going to make strawberry jam with my strawberries. We love strawberries. Okay, and the words that we had to remember were season, kitchen, buy and past tense bought, and cake. Let's look at the questions on this side, and then we'll kind of jump back and forth to answer them. All right, the first question, how many seeds does a strawberry have? Okay, so we're going to look for a number, because this is how many, and we have to find the number of seeds in a strawberry. Let's look back here and look for some numbers. I think it was in the first paragraph. Oh, there we go. Did you know that every strawberry has more than 200 seeds? So we need this. This is our answer here. Okay, more than 200. Let's go back. Remember that. Okay. So we can say a strawberry has strawberry, B-E-R-R-Y, has, get rid of does, so he, she, it, add the S, more than 200 seeds. Great. Number 2, where did Stacy go last weekend? Okay, so we're looking for a place, and we want to know about Stacy. Let's go back and find a place and Stacy. It wasn't paragraph 1. I think it was paragraph 2, because paragraph 2 says last weekend. So last weekend, I went to the farmer's market. Okay, who is I? Well, I is this girl. This girl is Stacy. I'm Stacy. All right, so that's our answer right there. The farmer's market. Let's use that. Okay, and remember Stacy's a girl, so we can change Stacy to she. She, and past tense of go is went to the farmer's market. F-A-R-M-E-R-S apostrophe market. M-A-R-K-E-T. Great. Now number 3. What was Star making? Okay, so we want to find a thing or an action. In this case, a thing, because we have making here. And Star was her sister. So we're going to look for Star and find out what Star was making. Was she making jam? Was she making a sandwich? Okay, Star was in the 3rd paragraph. I went home with my strawberries. My sister Star was in the kitchen. Okay, but no making here. She bought strawberries too. Okay, no making. She was making strawberry cake. There we go. She was making strawberry cake. Perfect. We can just copy that. That's the answer. She was making strawberry cake. All right, and number 4, what is Stacy going to make? Okay, back to Stacy. I want to find a thing again, and we're going to use these clue words to help us. What's she going to make? So she didn't make it already. She's going to make it. Stacy, Stacy, Stacy. I think it's paragraph 3 again. Stacy, 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 Stacy. She was making. I'm going to make. Oh, there we go. Going to make. Those were our clue words, right? Okay, and this is about Stacy. Yeah, because it says I'm and I is Stacy. I'm Stacy. Okay, so I'm going to make strawberry jam with my strawberries. So there's our answer. Strawberry jam. Okay, let's put that into this question. What is Stacy going to make? Stacy's a girl, so that becomes she. And she's going to make strawberry cake. No, I forgot. Strawberry jam. Strawberry jam. Strawberry jam. Okay, all done. Part B. Let's go and do part C. Okay, part C just says check the correct answer. So these are vocabulary questions. Do we know what these words mean? Number 1, which one is a farmer's market? Okay, so a farmer's market is where the farmers bring all of the stuff that they grow and they sell it to people. So that would be this one here, because this one is a supermarket. Everything's in cans, and farmers don't put their food in cans. Number 2, which one is a kitchen? That's a kitchen. Number 3, what does buy mean? Using our mouth or using money? Using money. Part C is done. Okay, this is the last one, part D. What about you? Right. Number 1, where does your family buy fruit? Well, usually we buy it at the supermarket. So I can say, my family buys, he, she, it, at the S, fruit at the supermarket. One word for supermarket. And you can put something else if your family buys it somewhere else. Number 2, what's your favorite cake? And for me, that would be carrot cake. So I'll say, I like carrot cake. And you can put any cake that you want in here. Chocolate cake, vanilla cake, rainbow sprinkle cake. It's up to you. But for today, we're done. Good job.